في ساحة للعلم كنا نلتقي، والحب والإخلاص زاد قلوبنا، نمضي إلى نور اليقين ونرتقي قمم الفلاح.
This video will show you how to register your student account on Macmillan Education Everywhere. Go to www.macmillaneducationeverywhere.com. If you are a returning user, you can log in now with your username and password. Make sure you have your access code ready. Once you have logged in, type in your access code from your book. Click Activate Code. Digital resources available for the course will be displayed on your bookshelf. If you are a first-time user, you need to register your account. Click Register and select Student Account. Select where you live from the drop-down menu and click Next. Once you have clicked Next, enter your first and last name. If you are under 16 or 18, depending on where you live, you'll need to enter a parent or guardian's email address to continue. You then need to choose your username and password. Once you have done this, you need to agree to the terms and conditions and click Register. An activation email will be sent to the parent or guardian's email entered on the previous screen. The recipient of the email will need to click on the link in the verification email to complete the registration. After clicking on the link, they will be taken to the confirmation screen. You will now be able to log in with the username and password you chose. To activate your code, click Activate Code. Type in the access code from your book. Click Activate Code. Digital resources available for the course will be displayed on your bookshelf. Click on the course title to view and download your resources.
في ساحة للعلم كنا نلتقي، والحب والإخلاص زاد قلوبنا، نمضي إلى نور اليقين ونرتقي قمم الفلاح.